Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm teaching you how to use CapCut Velocity Edit for music beats. So to jumpstart the layout, just drag your video clip and your primary music track down onto the editing track view. Let's open up our project. So my video is already here. Let me just choose some kind of music. Okay, so edit, drag it onto your timeline and you can put it right under your video track. Then guys, just choose the video so that it's highlighted in blue like this. Then guys, inside the helper window, you need to toggle the auto generate switch. Now guys, to access beats function, you either can right click right on your audio file and then choose auto mark beats. Okay. And also you can click on it again and choose beats from here, as you can see. So we have beats 1 and beats 2. So you can just choose it like this. And as you can see now, your beats are marked. And you can use any other audio track or music file that you want with this. Enjoy as always, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.